So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin kabolang isang team kabola na kung iisipin mo, reading between the lines kabola, baka may pinapahawatig po na makakaganda po sa liga. And this is about trade. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Ito nga po muna, comments muna ng mga fans. Anthony Lucky Alonso, SMB po idol lang ako, sabi niya. Fan ako, sabi niya siguro dito. Fernando Panlilio, mabuhay indie team na converge na may change sa playoff. Sana madalihin yung core nyo, wag ibigay sa GSM o SMC o Mags para wag na silang lumakas lalo. I think makakaayos na naman kayo kabola. Converge will continue to become an independent kabola. Mukhang wala naman tayo nakikitang signs kabola na magbabago po sila. Marcas Cariñas, Converge, nanalo kanina, best player, Stockton. They are currently 5-4. May game sila on Monday against Magnolia. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir. Then Marliari Mascarinhas Bullet, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you for your question, ROS, na kasi talo ang ROS first round, 1 point. Ginebra talo ang SMB, 49 points, so number 2 ay ROS. Si Troy Rosario will go to SMB, sabi niya dito kabola. So makita natin, no? Of course, we're still hopeful that Troy Rosario will remain po with Blackwater instead kabola, for the sake of the parity of the league. Now, by the way, Terra Firma got their first victory against TNT. Yes, it's quite shocking kasi of course TNT was playing the best basketball in this elimination round. Tapos biglang nagpatalo siya. Natalo pala. Kabola against Terra Firma. Actually, I watched the game, kabola. It was a lethargic game, kabola. Hindi masyadong nagsineryoso in a win ng TNT. Hindi rin nila masyadong binigyan ng minuto si Ronde, although of course nakarami pa rin po si Hollis Jefferson. Now, I'm actually very interested with what I saw in the game kasi parang there's something so much about TNT na very reliant sila with RHJ. No? So, kung ganyan po sila ka-reliant kay RHJ, ano kayang makikita po natin dun po sa paparating po na playoffs, kabola? Now, speaking po kabola, alam naman natin, Ange Kwame kabola, nakuha po ng Meralco for AASL. Now, fans are wondering if Brownlee can be topped by San Miguel Bremen kasi 6th team naman sila. Coach Tim Cone spoke about it, kabola, and he said, mukhang hindi, kabola, kasi Brownlee will be busy, specifically, dahil nga siya po ang main po na import or reinforcement po na ating Gilas national team, and we'll be having 2 games by November, if I'm not mistaken. So, I think that's the reason, explained po dito nga po by Coach Tim Cone, especially daw with the injury of Benny Boatwright. Actually, Benny Boatwright was the target sana, actually po ng San Miguel as one of their imports. Sana kabola, pero yun nga, nagka-injury po siya. Now, for me, is the door closed for Brownlee? Tignan natin kasi kung kumbaga, mabot tayo na next year kabola and contending pong San Miguel Bremen, if they have the right kabola to add Brownlee in their lineup, I think they will try, no? Kausapin po ang Ginebra and the Gilas team. Kasi of course, kung may panalo po ng isang Philippine team ang EASL, that is a big pride kabola sa Philippine basketball. And that could be the reason, I think, na San Miguel playing Justin Brownlee is a possibility. Unless, of course, yung management po ng Ginebra will see it more of an image thing, kumbaga, di ba? Alayin mo yun, makita mo si Brownlee wearing a San Miguel Bremen jersey, kabola. So, yung mga ganun po, ang potential po na rason kaya hindi ito matutuloy. Now, ang sinasabi ko kanina, maganda pag-usapan, na reading between the lines, is yung kay Northport. Kasi si Northport, di ba, galit na galit yung management nila dahil dito sa farm team comment nitong si Danny Ildefonso. Now, for me, is that a sign? Yung tanong natin, is that a sign, kabola, that there is a possibility that ito nga pong Northport kabola hindi mo nagagawa na mga farm team type of trades dahil nga pinakita nila, 'di ba, na nainis sila. May pride din naman po yung mga yan, 'di ba? Kabola, may pride pa rin yung mga yan. And pinakita nila yung inis nila kabola publicly. Now, bigla-bigla magkakaroon ng Arvin Tolentino trade, 'di ba? You get the point? Kabola, 'di ba? Anong mukhang iraharap nila, 'di ba? Nakikipag-rukos sila with Daniel Ildefonso, then just a month after, trade nila si Tolentino in a farm team trade, diba? Kabola, halimbawa lang yan. So, with that, I'm actually, in a way, positive na sana, yun yung maging dahilan, kaya medyo, at the very least, matapos tong season na ito, siguro, na wala pong farm team trade ng Northport. Let's hope for that. Kabola. O baka bola, hopeful ka din ba? Comment lang po sa baba.